This will be a quick video on FaceSwap using Krita AI Diffusion asked by a viewer. To begin, I will start with a new canvas with a size of 1024 pixels. And my prompt for this demo will be a woman in a restaurant. I will click Generate. I should have used a different style. The style will be the cinematic photo, with an SDXL checkpoint. So, this image can be ignored. It looks good though. I will continue with this image. Next, I will get a few characters for FaceSwap. Emma Watson will be the character. I think I should take any image. I am not looking much into the resolution or other details. It is just from the Google search results. The second character I can think of is Kristen Stewart. I think this image will do. Just make sure there are no multiple faces in the image. The main character's face should be properly visible. One more character I can think of is Emilia Clarke. I have these three characters to work with now. Inside Krita application, you can see the woman in the restaurant image layer on the top. I will bring the character images on top of it. I will drag the image and leave it, then this option appears automatically, or I choose Insert as New Layer. The face went on the extreme right. Now you know I should be doing something, so the character image stays in the center for the best result. And you can definitely keep it in the center after some adjustment, like giving a wider background. Let's look at how well this Krita AI Diffusion can manage with an image without alteration. I will bring other characters as well. I think there is a need for some alteration. I will crop the image using Paint. So, I brought the third character as well. I tried dragging the image to adjust, but the image I added is a low-resolution image. You should have got the idea, the kind of random image I am using in this demo. I will disable all the layers created after uploading these characters. Now, the woman in the restaurant is on the top. I will add ControlNet from the bottom option. Scribble is selected by default, change it to face. The face option appears when you have this. Inside Configuration, Connection. This IP adapter. Check this box and you will see an Install button here if it is not installed. This drop-down is to select the layer for the ControlNet to work. So, I selected the layer named Emma Watson, which is visible here. I will decrease the strength to 50%. Or let me try 60%. I also need to select the face area. I will use the freehand select tool and select the face, hair, and shoulder area. It took time on the first run, it was like 15 to 20 seconds. I think this result is fine. There are multiple to choose from. Note that, this can be further improved if I choose any one of the results and hit Refine again. In the ControlNet, if I change the layer to Kristen Stewart and refine. It is so simple and fast. Similarly, I can change the character layer again. The ControlNet will extract the facial details and use the same information while refining the selected region. This one looks good. The results are also affected based on the models used for the refinement process. I have used the cinematic photo style, which should be there after installation. Some may give bad results, you have to give it a try. Let me know what should be in the next video.